Good day. Welcome. Curious how to install a dishwasher? You see this bad boy? Let me show you what I did. For starters, I read through the installation guide, which indicated all the parts and materials that the dishwasher didn't come with, such as twist-on wire connectors, strain relief, Teflon tape, hot water supply line, 90-degree elbow connector, rubber connector, hose clamps, electrical tape, and duct tape. Holy crud muffins. Before I started with installation, I turned off the power breaker that supplies power to the dishwasher. Then, I turned off the direct water supply to the dishwasher. I also inserted a towel to catch any extra water leakage. Next, I applied the Teflon tape onto the 90-degree elbow connector, on the side where the hot water supply line would connect. Then, I installed the 90-degree elbow connector onto the dishwasher. I slightly tighten it up using pliers. I also ensured that the 90-degree elbow connector faces the right way as indicated in the installation guide. Then, I used the hot water supply line and installed it onto the 90-degree elbow connector. I used a wrench to tighten it up. Next, I used a screwdriver to remove the cover from the electrical box. This way, the wires were exposed and I was able to work on the electrical portion of the dishwasher. Then, I took the power supply line that attaches to the wall and fed it through the strain relief. The strain relief then was fed through the hole of the electrical box. Then I used the part that came with the strain relief to tighten the strain relief onto the electrical box. I used the twist-on wire connectors to connect the electrical wires together. I connected the white wire with the white wire, the black wire with the black wire, and the grounding wire with the green grounding wire of the dishwasher. I used pliers to help me along the way. When all set and done, I installed the cover back onto the electrical box. also tightened the screws on the strain relief where the power supply cord is held. I inserted the power supply cord underneath the dishwasher as indicated as per the installation guide. Next, I took the drain hose and the hot water supply line and fed them through the hole of the sink cabinet side wall. Then I connected the hot water supply line to the direct dishwasher water supply. I tightened it using a wrench. Then I connected the drain hose to the sink's drain hose connector. I used a screwdriver to tighten the hose clamp. I ensured that the dishwasher is leveled by adjusting the front legs of the dishwasher. I used the installation brackets to secure the dishwasher to the bottom of the countertop. As a final step, I turned on the dishwasher and ran a cycle to test to see if it worked properly. Another test I performed is checked for any leaks underneath the dishwasher and also checked for any leaks underneath the sink cabinet. Thank you for watching another HandyDandyRight video, and if you liked it, ensure to subscribe to my channel right there. Hit that notification bell button. Check out my other videos. Good day.